How to find birthday date on Snapchat. So first is you have to open up your Snapchat application, then it will lead you here. So if you have a previous conversation with a specific person that you want to know the birthday of, then you can just simply go to the chats and click on that person's profile, and here you can get all your information. Now the other way is to go back and go to your profile, which is on the upper left corner, and then if you want to know a birthday of a specific person, then if you scroll down you have a my friends option. Tap on that and then here you will find your friends. You can go either way. So after clicking on that friend's profile, here you can see that Snapchat has this new renovation with its application. So they actually took away the rocket icon where you can see all the specific birth date of the people or your friends, and now you are born to see the person's zodiac sign only. So as you can see here, the person's zodiac sign is Cancer, and the person's birthday is with June 22 to July 22, I guess. And basically that is how you find birth date on Snapchat. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.